Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is a super quick sneak peek at a bundle that's going to be available in March. It is the Springtime Seeds bundle, and it's got some beautiful greetings in it. You brighten my day, sweet springtime, celebrate new beginnings, we'll get through this together, and sending lots of sunshine. It's also got dies that are independent of the stamps, and then dies that work with the stamps. So we've got the ladybug with the body and the wings and different colored dots if you want to do the dots a different color. We've got this grass. Here it doesn't have a die that goes with it, but you could certainly use that as background. We've got the small leaf, the large leaf, and the really mega leaf here. That small flower, these ones you could use probably to decorate the top of this, just layer everything up. We've got a splat, which could absolutely be the center of another flower. Then we've got these leaves that you can cut out. And then we've got our kind of overlays, for lack of a better word. We've got 3 different dies. This one here is a simple circle die, so you get the inside and you get this border. And then we've got these 2, so you could layer this one on top of this one, and layer this one on top of this one. And then we've got this one, which again, you can layer all of these up however you like. And then this one is so pretty. Like that one is just so pretty. And we've got the greeting die cut, which will actually cut out all of the greetings. So the next video right away is we're going to do a simple card. I've just put this one together just so you can see what it looks like. And I used the Delicate Dreams Designer Series paper for this. So it's a bit of a sneak peek of that. And what's interesting is there's a new color listed in this paper, and it's called Hydrangea Hue. So this is the Hydrangea Hue paper. I've done it on blueberry bushel here because I don't have any of the Hydrangea Hue, obviously. It wasn't on the pre-order, but it is a beautiful, beautiful, soft color. So I'm looking forward to that coming out. And I'm going to do a video right after this one with this stepped up, but in strawberry slush as opposed to the blueberry bushel. So stay tuned for that video, and let's create together again soon.